In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a column chart in Excel. To get started, open your Excel file and make sure the data you want to visualize is already in place. A column chart works best when your data is organized clearly, usually with categories in one column and the corresponding values in the next. This helps Excel understand exactly what should appear on the chart and how it should be displayed. Once your file is open, highlight the data you want to use for the chart. Be sure to include both the category labels and the numeric values, because Excel uses those labels to name each column and the numbers to determine the height of each bar. Taking a moment to select the correct range will help you avoid having to adjust the chart afterward. Now look at the ribbon at the top of Excel and click on the Insert tab. This is where Excel keeps the tools for adding visual elements like charts, tables, and other objects. In the Insert tab, find the Chart section and click Insert Column or Bar Chart. A drop-down menu will appear with several chart options. From that drop-down, select Clustered Column. As soon as you click it, Excel will automatically create the chart for you. This is one of the fastest ways to turn raw spreadsheet data into a visual that is much easier to understand at a glance. What you'll see is a set of vertical bars, also called columns. Each category in your selected data becomes one column on the chart. The height of each column represents the value for that category. So if one bar is taller than another, that means the value is larger. This makes it easy to compare numbers side by side without having to read through every cell in the worksheet. Column charts are especially useful when you want to compare performance, totals, or amounts across different groups. If your goal is to show which category is highest, lowest, or somewhere in between, this chart type is a great choice because it presents that information very clearly. And that's it. Once you select Clustered Column, Excel does the work of building the chart automatically. From there, you have a simple visual representation of your data using vertical bars, with each bar reflecting the size of its value. It's quick, clear, and a very practical way to present spreadsheet information.